Right, hello people. Got some USB lights here my sister's given me to repair because, well, they're in 3 pieces now. And I think put that in. That's the only part that works. We've got about 1 metre that's working and 6 or 7 metres that aren't. I think they're addressable LEDs, I'm not sure. They've got like a little blob of resin on the end and it's quite fragile. There, if you was to push that down it snaps along the line. But the wires are so thin, I'm not 100% it's going to be a successful repair, but I'm going to give it a go. I might have to cut it in the middle and then join them up in the middle. Maybe it'll be a little bit shorter. We'll give it a go on that one and see if we can get them a bit longer than a metre. Right, I'm going to prep the ends up and have a little look. Using the Parkside automatic wire strippers, you can see the wires are really fine. So I'm going to try tinning them up, see if I can get them back on these little pins. Otherwise I'll have to cut it off further back, join them in the middle. I'll give this a go anyway. See, I've fluxed up the end of that. Around this way really. Get easier for me. Right. I've got leaded solder in there as well. No, that's leaded solder in there, 60/40. Try that. Oh, that's good. Right, so it's worth carrying on then. What I'm going to put over that. See what I've got. I'll take that up there. I've got some liquid insulation tape, but I think it's going to be too soft for that. It wants to be like that. A little bit, I suppose. Super glue it, or mix up some resin, 2-part epoxy. I think 2-part epoxy might be the best. It's almost what's on there anyway. Right, do that at the end. So the other one folded up. that's got it. It is really tricky to solder those, why they're so fine. It's going to be the hardest thing's going to be stopping them break again. Let's plug it in and see if they're all right. Ready? They are all lit. Yay. That one, that was oh, it's just a connector. Right, well, that's a success. Now I've got to get some, going to mix some resin up and try to encapsulate it enough so they don't break straight away. Resin's just about dried. So a little bit blobby, but almost looks factory. Let's have a look at them. I think that is a good fix. Saved from landfill. At least until the dog chews them up again. Yeah, all working. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and thanks for watching.